This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Transferring the design from schematic capture to PCB layout. First, make the schematic document multivibrator.sch doc, the active document. Select the design, then click Update PCB document multivibrator.pcb doc from the schematic editor. Then, click on Validate Changes. If all changes are validated, a green check will appear next to each change in the status check column of the dialog. If the changes are not validated, close the dialog, check the messages panel, and resolve for any errors. And then, if all changes are validated, click on Execute Changes to send the changes to the PCB editor. As each change is performed, a check will appear in the Status Done column of the dialog. And then, when all changes have been completed, the PCB will open behind the Engineering Change Order dialog, then click to close the dialog. The components will have been positioned outside of the board, ready for placing on the board. There are few steps to complete before starting the component placement process, such as configuring the placement grid, the layers, and the design rules.